Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review thoughtful, functional, and gift-worthy finds. Today, we're diving into a top-tier grooming essential that's perfect for the modern man, and without a doubt, the best dad grooming kit you can get your hands on. Let's talk about the Futricy beard brush and comb set. This compact grooming kit might look small, but it brings serious self-care power to your daily routine, whether you're at home or traveling. Designed for men who value style, neatness, and a well-kept beard, this kit includes 3 key tools: a high-quality wooden beard brush, a precision comb, and grooming scissors. First off, the brush. Crafted with care, the bristles are firm enough to glide through coarse beards but gentle enough to massage the skin underneath. That's important, because healthy skin is the foundation of a healthy beard. You'll notice how easily it distributes natural oils, which helps soften and tame beard hair while giving it a well-groomed shine. It's more than just maintenance. It's grooming with intention. Next, the comb. Also made from wood, it's designed with both wide and fine teeth, making it perfect for detangling and styling. No snagging, no static. Just a smooth comb that's easy on the beard and even easier to carry. You can throw it in your gym bag, your desk drawer, or your pocket, and you're ready to refresh your look anytime. And let's not forget the scissors. Sharp, compact, and travel-ready, they're ideal for trimming stray hairs and keeping your beard's edges sharp. Whether you're shaping a full beard, cleaning up stubble, or managing a mustache, these scissors get the job done. No electric trimmer necessary. But what truly makes this set a standout is how giftable it is. Whether it's Christmas, Valentine's Day, a birthday, or just a thoughtful surprise, this is the kind of gift that says you notice the little details. It works as a white elephant gift that's actually useful, or a stocking stuffer that shows you care about his daily routine. Let's also appreciate how portable this kit is. For guys who travel, whether for work or leisure, it fits easily in a carry-on or backpack. Imagine landing after a long flight and being able to touch up your beard right in the hotel. It's compact grooming made convenient. And beyond the tools, it's about the vibe. This set says, "I take pride in my appearance, but I don't need an overcomplicated routine to do it." It's about simplifying self-care without sacrificing quality. So, who is this for? It's for the dad who likes to look sharp. The boyfriend who's growing his first beard. The husband who has his style nailed. The guy who's always on the move but still wants to stay polished. With its elegant packaging, travel-ready design, and functional tools, the Futricy beard brush and comb set is more than just a grooming kit. It's a confidence kit. That's all for today's review. If you're looking to elevate your own grooming game or need a guaranteed win as a gift, this one's a no-brainer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more honest reviews right here on Product Critique. See you next time.